Today I'm going to show you a lovely property in the Apennines, in the Marche, the area of Monte Acuto, Monte Catria, and we are in a very small little village here with a few people still living here, and I'm going to show you a beautiful restored house. Here we are in the garden, as you can see. The views are on the village of Frontone on the back. That is the area towards the Adriatic coast. And so this is a nice sitting area that belongs to the property. They also have another part of land below here where these stones are up till the road, more or less, and so you could still do something with that land. And the house itself is over there. It is part of larger building. Okay. Now let me see. Maybe I can show you some more of the little borgo. This is their garage, and this is the common pizza oven, which is everybody can use it in the village, and it can be used very well. It's apparently they make great pizzas here. This is the garage I told you about, a storage area, very handy, very useful. And here we enter the property itself. It has a lovely patio to sit outside and have breakfast. There is sun in the morning here on this side. Okay. And here we enter the main room of the apartment. The house is about 150 square meters large. It has this beautiful open space area with a sitting room. I'll show you later. The dining room, an open kitchen, very nice rustic style. There is an oven, a dishwasher, and very high ceiling, high beams. It has been restored in a very nice way, I must say, with a lot of attention to special old features like the arches and the old beams. Okay, here is a bathroom with a shower. The house is being rented out to tourists. This is a sofa couch, so you could sleep on it. Two people could sleep there. Here, this is the large, beautiful sitting room with the old system they used to use before, with wooden planks on the floors and the beams. And later on, in Italy, they made terracotta tiles between the beams. But this is really old. It's very nice, but they kept it. And over here, there is a beautiful fireplace which has a blower blowing up the hot air into the room. There also is gas heating with radiators in the house. Okay, here we go up to the first floor where the bedrooms are. Okay, here is one first bedroom under the roof, as you can see. The entire house is going to be sold completely furnished. There are 3 apartments in this huge building. They all were restored in the same period. This is bedroom number 2, okay, with a nice roof window. And here we go up a few steps more. to the last bedroom, which is a double bed bank, what do you call that? What do you call it? Bunk beds, I think, right? Here we have the chimney going up to the roof, and here below is the upper part of the heating system. Okay, and then there is, hello, bathroom number 2, also with a roof window, a shower, toilet, and a bidet. Okay, so the house is about 140, 130 square meters large. It has all the appliances you need. TV, there is an internet connection, there is gas, there is electricity, and there also is a small swimming pool that I'm going to show you now. Okay, so here is the nice sitting area that I showed you before. Over there we were just there with the garage and the beautiful views, and here we continue. Here is another part of the building. There are 3 owners in this building in total. Here is another apartment, see, and over there. This is where the cars can be parked. This is a common area for parking. Okay, and here, look at these views. Isn't that beautiful? You can go down here or take the stairs and go down into the garden down over there, okay, with the pool. Each apartment has its own garden, so one apartment is over there and the other one has a little shed over there, but these people have their own swimming pool, even if it's small, but it is still nice to sit outside and relax. And here we are. Well, as you can see, the views are beautiful. The area is very quiet. The borgo is very quiet as well. You're not too far away from this city of Cagli, about 7 kilometers. There is a small bar nearby at 3 kilometers. So you're not completely isolated. As you can see, there are small villages and houses in the area. Okay, well, if you want more information on the price and other conditions of this property, go to our website www.lecasedidori.com. Thank you.